My name is Kelly Peeler, and I'm the founder and CEO of NextGenVest.com, every student's money mentor. We help thousands of students across the country save time and money paying for college over text message. College is very expensive. Students graduate with an average of $33,000 in debt. In spite of this, they leave $2.7 billion of free federal aid on the table every year. We've developed a very simple way for students to get guidance by texting into our hotline and immediately connecting with a money mentor 24/7. Since launching this service, we've been growing 18% week over week, have been saving students an average of 3 hours a week, and are serving primarily a low-income student base. Our team of previous financial advisors and educators has a vision to make money easy for every decision that a student will make from high school into college and beyond. Start texting now and start saving money.
Welcome to today's Power Pitch. I'm Melissa Lee. You just saw Kelly's pitch. Now let's meet the panel. Joining us here on set is Nikhil Kalgati, a partner at Vast Ventures. That's an early-stage venture fund which invests in nearly 50 consumer and mobile startups. Also with us is venture capitalist and angel investor Kelly Keenan-Trumpor. Kelly mentors over 30 startups and is the founder of CNBC, a portfolio company focused on women-owned businesses. And from the Bay Area, angel investor Nat Burgess. He's also the president of Quorum Group, a firm involved with more than $1 billion in mergers and acquisitions, including deals with Google, Microsoft, and Intel. All right, so you saw the pitch. You're in the hot seat. Nikhil, kick it off.
Well, I think you did a great job. Thought the pitch was mission-driven and addressed a large market, so I'd give it a B+. My issue is that I haven't been a teenager in at least a couple of years.
Yeah, I can tell.
So how do you know you're really building trust and are inside the minds of a 16-year-old?
16-year-old girls are a certain type of breed, and I think a lot of products and services aren't really being empathetic to that user base. So the way that we do it is really by a few different ways. One, we use their language. We use a lot of GIFs and emojis, but we also start a conversation in a really personal way and introduce a real human to them. So they're talking to a real human, which we call a money mentor, over text message. And pretty much in the span of about 3 minutes, we can get them to trust us by the fact that they're actually referring other students to sign up over text message.
Kelly.
So you really piqued my interest, and for that, I'm giving you an A- because I think you're really addressing a huge problem. And I think this is something where if I can find out a little bit more about what's going on behind the scenes, I'd like to just know, who do you see your competition as right now? Because this is a very innovative product, and who else is out there?
So there's a lot of financial literacy products, maybe K-12, and then there's also a lot of personal finance companies, maybe starting at the age of 26 and up. Where we really differentiate ourselves is we hit on a user base that's right in a moment of transition.
Nat.
Kelly, I have a 16-year-old daughter, and she's often using Snapchat while she's asking me for financial advice. I do think you're onto something, identifying this channel. However, with the pitch, I didn't hear any of the basic business metrics that we're looking for as investors. How big is the market? How exactly are you going to monetize? And what is your vision for your company when it grows up? So I'm giving you a B on the pitch.
Okay.
Your users are students. You're obviously bringing a lot of benefit to them, but your customers who are paying are the schools. And that is a tough market to sell to. How are you going to get them to pay?
About 17 states require a financial literacy course, so we use that as a means to get into high schools and establish a relationship with students there as sort of a first way to make money. But really what we see as the bigger opportunity is continuing a trustworthy relationship with each and every one of our students as they go through all of their major decisions. So as a student goes into college, we know where they're going to college, we know generally speaking how much they have in student loans, and we can really curate and customize different financial products for them.
So how exactly do you make money?
So we currently make money by selling to schools, but we will be introducing referral or lead gen programs for students as they go in and sign up for their first accounts.
Kelly.
You've got real humans answering the questions of teenagers. You're working with big institutions. Talk to me about scalability. How does this play out over the years?
The way that we've done that so far is we train our money mentors so that we can provide a 24/7 service to students. But what we're going to be doing is layering on elements of technology so that we can scale that pretty quickly.
Okay, so we heard what Kelly had to say. Now we want to know if the panel is in or out. So Nikhil, kick it off, in or out?
I love that this is a mission-driven company that focuses on a population that is underserved and hard to penetrate. the same time, I'm fearful that it's going to be very difficult to monetize and that you might get schooled on the opportunity to take advantage of, loans and other folks offering credit cards and things like that. So in sum, I'm out.
Kelly?
This is really intriguing to me. I think this is an untapped market. I think there's a lot of concerns that are coming down the pipeline because of student debt. So for those reasons, I'm in.
Okay, Nat.
Kelly, I was intrigued by the work you did at Harvard on the financial crises. And I agree with you that the student loan crisis could basically undermine the future of young people today. It's that serious. So I'm inspired by what you're doing, but I'm not convinced there's a business there. So I'm out.
Okay, so 2 outs and 1 in. Kelly, what's your reaction?
We'll be helping your daughter save money, so maybe we'll change your mind.
Text her. Okay, thanks so much to Kelly Peeler of NextGenVest and to our panelists, Nikhil, Kelly, and Nat. And that is today's Power Pitch.
Hey CNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Here you're going to find videos packed with all of the information that you need to be smarter about your finances. You can subscribe by clicking right here and click on all the videos around me or the eye right here to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.